Hey everyone, welcome back to IEEERAIT, a place where you learn and explore new topics in each video. In today's video, we'll be making an automated weather control fan using Tinkercad simulation website. This fan will be working according to the weather conditions at our home or office. This electronic circuit will make the fan turn faster as the temperature rises and will become slow as the temperature decreases. The Tinkercad simulation website is used to design and simulate electronic circuits according to our needs. The components which we'll be using in our project are Arduino Uno with a TMP36, which is the temperature sensor, along with a 16:2 LCD display and a DC motor. Arduino Uno is a low-cost, flexible and easy to use microcontroller along with a Atmega A328P microcontroller chip. It is equipped with everything needing to support a microcontroller. Our next component is TMP36. It is a temperature sensor. These sensors use a solid-state technique to determine the temperature. It consists of a diode which increases the voltage as the temperature rises. By precisely amplifying the voltage change, it is easy to generate an analog signal that is directly proportional to the temperature. The good news is that all the complex calculations is done inside the chip. It just spits out the temperature and ready for you to use. As we now move to our simulation part, we'll first go to the Tinkercad dashboard where we'll be making our electronic circuit. Now we will be collecting all the required components for our circuit. Now, as we have collected all our components, we'll be now connecting them with the help of wires along with the breadboard. Now, as we are done with our wiring, we'll be doing our coding with the help of Arduino IDE. Arduino IDE is an open source software designed by Arduino CC. It is mainly used for compiling and uploading codes to all Arduino modules. Now we'll copy the code into the code area of Tinkercad, which will be uploaded into the Arduino. Now, as we start the simulation, you can see the temperature sensor is detecting temperature in the room. If the temperature is more than 30 degrees Celsius, the speed of the fan will be at 100%. If we decrease the temperature below 20, as you can see, which is 16 in this case, the fan is switched off. So this was all about the weather control fan, and I hope you learned a lot from it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to IEEERAIT for more such videos. Stay updated with the latest content on our channel by clicking on the bell icon. Thank you.